Welcome. In front of me is an Elephone P8000 and I will show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode. So what you need to do is start by opening up the settings right here by the gear icon, and then go down into sound and notification. And from here you will have the interruption. So as long as I can somehow click it, okay. And from here have this option on the top, and you can choose what kind of do not disturb mode you want. So do not interrupt, allow priority interruption, or just all. So if you want full silence, you'd go with don't interrupt, and priority, you can actually set it up, and you can also set up the timer, and we're just gonna keep indefinitely. Okay, and from here you can do the events like reminders and other stuff, calls and messages, so you can basically mute everything. And then also you have the days, so you can set up each specific day that you want it to affect in. And for me, I'm just gonna set up, let's say, Monday, who likes Mondays. And you can choose the time from which one you want to start and end. So you can just keep on, say, 10 a.m. okay, till end time till, let's say, 7 p.m. And then you get to choose on the bottom interrupt allowance priority only, which is affected by however you set it here. And now it's going to be active whenever you leave, and at this specific day it will always be affected. There is no other way to turn it on from notification that I found, so you would have to go through the settings every time if you want to enable or disable it. So that is how you enable the Do Not Disturb mode, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.